Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today's video I'm going to be showing you how I prepare this zucchini and shrimp pasta. So yeah, these are the ingredients I'm going to be using. I'm going to be using some two medium zucchini, some fresh cherry tomatoes. This is cherry tomatoes, salt, 1 clove of garlic, and here I have parsley and basil leaf together. I combine both together, and extra virgin of olive oil, shrimps, and the pasta. This is fresh pasta, but you can use any pasta you have. But if you can get a fresh pasta for this recipe, you will love it. You will love it. So these are the ingredients I'm going to be using. I'm also going to be using a black pepper. So yeah, let's move over to the cooking. And before, I'm going to place water over the heat for the pasta. So go ahead and do that. Then I'm moving over to the sauce. I'm adding 2 tablespoons of extra virgin of olive oil on a fry pan, Just allow them to heat up a little before you can add the garlic. So yeah, here I added the garlic, and I'm going to allow the garlic to cook for a minute or so before I will add the zucchini. Okay, now I'm adding the zucchini after the garlic I've roasted for about a minute or so. So add the zucchini and stir them all together. Allow the zucchini to cook on a medium heat or on a low heat. Don't cook them on a high heat, okay? So after 3 minutes of the zucchini cooking alone, I'm going to go ahead to add the black pepper because the zucchini is a bit soft now. So add your black pepper, stir them, and you add the salt. Don't add too much salt because the shrimps has salt on it already. So go ahead and stir them all together and allow the zucchini to cook for another a minute. Then here I'm adding the fresh chopped cherry tomatoes into it. After adding it, just go ahead and stir them all up. Stir them over a medium heat, or you can use low heat for this. Don't use high heat, okay? So after stirring them, allow the cherry tomatoes and the zucchini to cook for about 2 minutes or until the tomatoes cook down. And here I remove the garlic. Don't leave the garlic inside. Or if you are the type that love garlic, just leave it in there and eat it. But I do remove the garlic when I throw in garlic like that. So after 3 minutes, I added the shrimps. Make sure you clean your shrimps very well, okay? After adding the shrimps, go ahead and stir them all up and put the heat down on a medium, on the lowest heat. Yes, not even on the medium, lowest heat. Stir them all up and allow them to cook on a very low heat. After 2 minutes, I'm adding the basil leaf and the parsley leaf. And I'm just going to allow them to continue cooking on a low heat while I move over to the pasta. So yeah. So for the pasta, I'm going to be adding salt into the hot water. So here I'm going to be adding the pasta. The pasta, it says to be cooked for 5 minutes because it's fresh pasta. It's a fresh pasta, so you don't want to overcook them because they're going to turn to cream. So I'm adding the pasta into the water. After adding the pasta, I'm going to stir the pasta and allow the pasta to cook on a low heat, on a medium heat, depend on what you want. So that is what I'm going to be doing. Stir them, continue, don't just allow them. So when the pasta started forming like this, I didn't show it on the camera. Take a spoon and take some water from the pasta and add into the sauce. Like the water from the pasta, add into the sauce before you can add the pasta. I didn't show it on the camera. So yeah, just add the pasta when the pasta is cooked to the sauce, and there you have your pasta and shrimps and zucchini. It's very simple to prepare and it's very delicious. Believe me, I said delicious. So I hope you give this recipe a try. Thank you all for watching, and I will see you on my next video. God bless you all. Bye.